Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from pharmaceutics too. So for performing the experiments related to mixtures, let's discuss in detail about the mixture. So introduction to liquid dosage forms. In that, mixture is monophasic liquid dosage form which is taken internally. A mixture is a liquid preparation meant for oral administration in which medicaments are dissolved or suspended in a suitable vehicle. Classification of mixtures. Mixtures are get classified into following these 5 types. Simple mixture containing soluble substances, mixtures containing diffusible solids, mixtures containing indiffusible solids, mixtures containing potent medicament, and mixture containing slightly soluble liquid. So first class is a simple mixture containing soluble substances. Simple mixture contains only soluble ingredients. Mixture containing diffusible solids. Diffusible solids are the insoluble in water but get evenly distributed on shaking the container throughout the liquid for sufficient time so that when the patient take the medicament by the spoon from container, the medicament is available in the right quantity. Example of diffusible solids are magnesium carbonate. Then third type is a mixture containing indiffusible solids. Indiffusible solids are those solids which are not soluble in water and do not remain uniformly distributed in the vehicle for sufficiently long time. Therefore, to suspended the drug, suspending agents are added. Example of indiffusible solid, acetyl salicylic acid, that is aspirin. Examples of suspending agents: the compound Tragakant powder in the proportion of 2 grams per 100 ml, that is 10 grains per ounce of the mixture. Tragakant mucilage in the proportion of 1/4 of the final volume of the mixture. Compound Tragakant powder is used when the vehicle is other than water or chloroform water, but the Tragakant mucilage is used when the vehicle is water or chloroform water. Mixture containing slightly soluble liquid. The insoluble portions of the slightly soluble liquids is not readily diffusible, so a suspending agent is needed. For an example, compound Tragakant powder or Tragakant mucilage is used. Then fifth one, mixture containing potent medicament. A very small dose is prescribed for a potent medicament which is not directly weightable or weighable. So minimum weighable quantity is used and then required dilutions are carried out to give the prescribed strength of the formulation. Recommended container for mixture: plain glass bottles with the uniform intended internal diameter. Special labeling instructions for mixture with diffusible and indiffusible solids. Shake well before use. So let's move towards experiment. So now let's move towards experiment number 15. Title of our today's experiment is to prepare and submit official mixture BP 10 ml. BP stands for British Pharmacopoeia. So formulation of official mixture. Proposition 1. Magnesium hydroxide. It is formed by alkali reaction with magnesium sulfate, MgSO4, that is magnesium sulfate plus twice NaOH sodium hydroxide. It will give us magnesium hydroxide, that is MgOH twice plus Na2SO4 sodium sulfate. MgOH2 magnesium hydroxide can also be formed by hydration method of light magnesium oxide, that is MgO magnesium oxide plus H2O means water. It will gives us magnesium hydroxide MgOH2. The purpose of getting magnesium hydroxide in the soluble form is to get a preparation having the optimum viscosity, otherwise it may have the jelly-like consistency in first case, and in second case the product has less viscosity and drug particles easily settle down. The magnesium hydroxide MgOH2 precipitate is washed several times with purified water using calico cloth for filtration to get rid of soluble sulfate ions, because sulfates are bulky and they irritate GI, gastrointestinal tract. The removal of sulfate ions is checked by testing filtrate with barium chloride solution, that is BaCl2. The washing is continued till almost all the sulfate ions are removed. Some remaining sulfate ions which are adsorbed in the preparation are useful laxative, as little irritation is required for laxative action. So the learning objectives of our today's experiment are to understand the purpose of official mixture, its method of preparation, and second one, ability to prepare and label the mixture correctly. Apparatus required are mortar, pestle, measuring cylinder, funnel, calico cloth, etc. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given, that is equal to 10 upon 1000, that is equal to 0.01. 0.01 is a factor. So prescription is given over here: magnesium sulfate 47.5 gram, sodium hydroxide 15 gram, light magnesium oxide 52.5 gram, chloroform 2.5 ml, and purified water freshly boiled and cooled to up to the 1000 ml. So let's discuss about the formulation table. So first of all, type means here the category of or the role of the ingredients is written. Translation, that is the name of ingredient. Quantity given in the imperial system for 30 ml and quantity given in the metric system for 30 ml. Quantity taken in the metric system for preparing 10 ml. So first of all, magnesium sulfate used as a cathartic. Quantity given in the metric system is 47.5 gram. Multiply this with 0.01 as a factor. So we will get 0.475 gram. Sodium hydroxide used as alkalizing agent. Quantity given 15 gram. Quantity taken for 10 ml 0.15 gram. Light magnesium oxide used as antacid laxative. Quantity given 52.5 gram. Multiply it with 0.01, we will get 0.525 gram. Fourth one, chloroform used as a flavoring agent 2.5 ml. So multiply it with 0.01, we will get 0.025 ml. And purified water used as a vehicle. Quantity given up to 1000 ml. So quantity taken for preparing 10 ml up to 10 ml. Direction for this is to be taken as directed by physician. So now let's move towards laboratory for performing actual experiment. So now let's move in the performing procedure in our laboratory. So we have this magnesium sulfate which is previously weighed. This is the light magnesium oxide which is also weighed. Sodium hydroxide and chloroform from which we prepared this chloroform water, and this is purified water. So first of all, we are going to add this sodium hydroxide NaOH into this water and dissolve it. So after completely dissolving this sodium hydroxide into water, now we are going to add this light magnesium oxide into it. Now after adding this light magnesium oxide into the sodium hydroxide solution, simultaneously in the another beaker we are going to prepare the solution of this magnesium sulfate. So now we will add this magnesium sulfate into water. Now our magnesium sulfate solution is formed in purified water. So after that we are going to pour this our previous solution of sodium hydroxide in which we added the light magnesium oxide. So we are going to pour that solution into this magnesium sulfate solution and going to mix it properly. So now the precipitate is formed into this beaker. As the precipitate is formed in this beaker, so we are going to separate out the clear liquid from this residue. So we will proceed for filtration. So after filtration we will get this clear liquid, filtrate as a clear liquid, and the residue is retained on that filter paper. Now we are going to add the purified water into this residue for washing that PPT. Now after washing that precipitate, we will get this clear liquid, and now we will going to add chloroform into it. So after getting this filtrate, we are going to add chloroform water into it, and now proceed for volume makeup. Now we are going to add this purified water into our formulation for making the volume makeup. Now our 10 ml formulation is ready. Now after volume makeup of our formulation, we will transfer it into this amber colored bottle and proceed for labeling part. Now after filling our formulation into this container, we prepare label for it, and now proceed for labeling part. Official mixture BP 100 ml. BP stands for British Pharmacopoeia. For ABC, here one can write name of patient, register number XYZ number given in the register, dispatched by PQR, name of pharmacist who is going to dispatch that formulation, manufacturing date August 2020, storage, store in a cool and dark place, as here given dark